What is going on? Seth back with another video, and today I'm going to be discussing or showing you how to fix this problem that I've seen with the automatic Honda Accord 4-cylinders from 98 to 2002. So if you notice right here, you have your automatic shifter, and if you can see, I put the brake in and go to pull the shifter back and it's locked. So it's like, how do I move the car? Well, a temporary fix for this is if you pull this little cover off, it's just a few little pops. You can pull that off, and then what I've been doing is taking this aux cord right here, and you see right down here, mine's a little dirty, but it says shift lock release right here. So what you want to do is take it and stick it in this hole, and it'll allow you to shift. But once you pull it out, it won't let you shift anymore. So it is a really simple fix, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's go ahead and get into that. So first off, you want to check in here, and here's this fuse panel, and as you can see, there's this list of fuses here, and you want to check and see if number 9 is working. See, this is a 7.5 amp, and it is your backup light / instrument light. And if you check, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is this one right here. Of course, I've checked, mine's good. So if you can, check that one first, and if that one's not blown, there's another fix. So you come around here to the hood and all. Of course, mine is the V6 model, but it does the same for the 4-cylinder. If you check in this fuse box, here's the list. If you see right here where it says stop, that's this fuse right here in the middle. Of course, I pulled it out so mine would work because I've already fixed it. But if you pull that fuse out and you get a new one, it's a 20 amp fuse. So the fuse looks like this. So this is what the fuse should look like. And all you have to do is just plug that right in there. So now start the car. Once the car is running, you can see this. And then and then it works. But anyways, guys, that was a short little video that I thought I would make because it's kind of helpful, because my car was struggling with that problem too. And if it is this fuse down here and it keeps blowing, you might want to check your trunk, because that sometimes means that water is getting in there and it is shorting it out. I don't really know how to explain that much, but if you really want to know more, you can look on Honda Accord forums. They're a really great one. There's a forum called, I think, V6 performance.net or something like that. It's something for these cars, but all you have to do is look up 98 to 02 Honda Accord forums, and literally thousands will pop up, and you can learn everything you want on these cars pretty much. And that's how I found out this little trick. So thank y'all guys for watching. I hope this helped y'all out, and I hope y'all enjoy. I'll see you later on. Peace.